Good morning, good day my friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we have another video review unboxing of diamond painting. Not sure the day I will upload this video, maybe back to back with my previous video. And today we have unboxing from ArtBusy, I think. So let's open. I did open box to release my canvas a little bit, because if I show you this way, the canvas is bigger than a box. They just shuffle inside to squish instead of putting a bigger box. No, I don't like that. But they do have a good product up there, and not always like this. They changed to these black boxes, but they didn't figure out how to do maybe different size of boxes. So hopefully they will see this video and do something with it. But in my previous video from different store, I show you one of the stainless glass. I guess that particular time I was in a hunt something as a look for the stainless glass design. So apparently I ordered one more from different store. So let's check it out. This one looks really cool. It's a big one. Here is our tool set. Same one. We have a wax small tray. Okay, this one doesn't have it. Oh yeah, it is. They do have it tweezers. I thought maybe they stopped putting them because they're really useless to me. I don't use them. And three placer and one placer pen. They just fall off the baggie. I don't think there's a hole in here. Why is my... oh yeah, it is a little bit of the hole in the bottom. That's why tweezers slip away. Okay, I see already we have a AB diamonds in here. Not AB, I always say AB. It's a fairy dust. Looks like we have a fairy dust. And let me show you the design. So here is okay, see how they were folded, little, not folded, but kind of bended canvas a little bit into the box. So we do have some kind of like a wrinkle area, but thanks to the velvet canvas, this is not problem at all. Your glue is not going to be damaged. Let's see design. I think it doesn't matter which way. Oh no, it does matter because it's a peacock on the inside. So it does matter which way. I thought you can turn no matter how you want. I forgot there is a bird on the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that art. So pretty. Tiles. You can work literally by the tiles. You don't even need to have, you know how people put parchment paper and kind of like a number which one to work on. In here you already have a tile separation. You can work by the piece. But oh my god, it's so colorful. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? So in here, okay, that's okay if you don't see the whole canvas. If you don't see this this tab, it's exactly same as we have here on the bottom panel, because I'm checking it right now, and yes, it looks like it's exactly same. It's just mirror wise, like a mirror, because like this one, a yellow piece pointing down, here's pointing up, so it's a mirror design created. And the center masterpiece, we have a peacock in here. Lovely bird. Look at that. Oh, this one also will be so much fun to work by the color. Here's the print on the design. Looking busy because of the nature of this design, but isn't it gorgeous? It's already so pretty even without diamonds. So I can imagine how beautiful this will be when we put our diamonds down. Wow. How about glue wise? Let me check the glue, especially on this one wrinkle side that I have. Okay, so this one was the kind of wrinkle side. You see the glue up there looking really nice. There's no problem with the glue. You just will have to kind of iron if it's happened to you a little bit. Or just stretch it and leave it on a table flat. It will soften up and go away slowly. Put something heavy on it if you wish. It is pretty. Oh, it's actually, well, created from like two pieces of this squeaky sheet. So there you go. You can use just the one side, do first, and then open the other side. Do this way. You can flip sideways towards you and just work from this side up, because it's, you know, easy to work on no matter how you put this design. So wait a minute. Yeah, it is correct. Okay. For a minute I thought the peacock has a different view, but no, that's it, only in this circle. So we have in here, looking on a canvas, we have 45 colors, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors of the fairy dust. This is very tiny picture, but can we see design like this all at once? Gorgeous, right? Especially when you will go to the website and open a link. I will provide you link and also discount code for this store, and you will see the beautiful bright picture on a website. It's just like heart stopper, so beautiful. I wish they would print bigger picture for display. I don't know why they do such a little. I love to see bigger picture. So in here, oh, this one is round diamonds. I decided to do in round diamonds, so it's easy and faster to place. So we have in fairy dust, this one, I think it's a 310, isn't it? Uh-oh, where's the sticker? There's no sticker, but there's a double bag, so bag on the inside in here. Does it have a sticker? Okay, yes. I don't know why they do that here. There's a bag inside of diamonds with the number 310. So this is 310. Maybe the bag broken and they just put in a new bag. So 310. Then we have, ooh, this one fairy dust. Very beautiful, unique color. Look how pretty. Nice deep burgundy. How you call this color? Burgundy, purple, mauve, I don't know. That is beautiful. Then we have in yellow fairy dust. Then we have in blue. Here's our blue fairy dust. And one more color in blue. So you can see there's different shades. And so that's our 5 colors. Oh, so nice. That's gonna be very beautiful frame in 310. So all this outline will be in fairy dust, will be nice and shimmer. I hope it's enough diamonds in here, because there's a lots of black color in here. But it is a big bag though. I would love to know like how many diamonds in one bag. They do have in here like in grams forever. I think that's the number in here. I think it's a weight of the diamonds, but I wish they would say like how many diamonds. That would be fun. How many you have to place, not how many in a bag, because usually it's a percentage. Every company doing different percent on how much extra diamonds to put into the bags. But there is some very pretty colors in here. Oh, look, this one shades all together. Just a perfect placement them together, shading of greens. This one is pretty like that. And lovely. There's a more green, almost like turquoise. Yeah, more like turquoise, close to the blues. And then we have some bright, look how bright red. Oh, there's some family of reds. Lovely. Then we have a family of purple. Oh no, just not three. We have a three. Kind of like a lavender purple colors. Look how pretty. Diamonds looks good. Yeah. Blues families. Lots of dark blue. Gold. Here, fall time family, pretty together. Oh, this one is so bright. I like this. Okay, the combination for me in these two colors, it's absolutely gorgeous. These two colors, I love them together. So pretty, right? Even to the mixture of this one, where is the, or maybe not here. Usually like specific orange look good with these colors. This one more like to the brown coral kind of. No, don't have that kind of color in here to compare together, but I love certain colors together. So what do you think? This will be gorgeous. It's a very busy looking. Okay, let me show you one more time. Oops, that's the other side, the sheet. Okay, like it's looking busy the way the symbols, because it's not outlining. It's for the round. It just looks like everywhere, but it might be a little bit tricky to see those symbols because they're all in the mixture. But the clarity of the symbols are good. I don't think there's any problem. But it will be so fun to work by the color. I have to see what kind of canvas. I'm sure I have some canvas in my whip already from ArtBusy, because when I finished some of the design, I started new one to have in my rotation. I have to check what I have and maybe quickly finish, or it depends how much it's done up there already. And this would be fun to work on as well. Or those roses from before I showed you. This one is like more busy, but so pretty. 60 by 60 centimeters, if you're interested in that size you see right now. But just remember that on a website you can choose your own size. You can choose your choice of diamonds, what you want to have, square, round. There's a different variety of diamonds that you can just go and pick what you want. And yeah, I really like that you have choice of the size, because you know, for this kind of design, the smallest design will be very pixelated and not very good for the busy art like this. So that's why I like to order as biggest as possible for the price, but still to have a good look. So yeah, the less details will be okay for you to order in a smaller size of the canvas, will look good. But busy like this, I recommend even have like a even bigger. That would be also very pretty. All right, my friends, this is a short video for today. What do you think? When I'm looking at right now on camera, it looks so good, so beautiful. I love this design very much. From the bottom of my heart, I love it. Whoever designed did a very good job. Well, thank you so much, everyone. Happy shopping as always. Use discount code to save some money. And let me know in the comments what you think about this unboxing today. And don't hesitate to give me some thumbs up as well, okay? I love you. I love you. Hearts, 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 hearts to you. I love you. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.